Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on About Phone section at the bottom. After that, you need to select Edit under current device name. Finally, type in wherever you wish to. Then hit Done next to Cancel. And as you can see, after that, name of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!